All right, we got the frying pan with the Wakka mounts and the cutting board on the other side.
Always cooking amazing meals bikepacking. Jules prepared by drilling holes in the frying pan handle, and we made a canvas bag for the cutting board for the Wakka plates.
What's going to happen with the frying pan?
We're gonna be cooking our dinner.
Wakka is our brethren surly-minded shop in Japan, and they make these mountain plates.
So good.
The Mount Lowe Trail Camp is one of our favorite bikepacking spots when we only have about 24 hours and we just want to get off the grid. We typically pack up our bicycles on the fire truck, head toward the Mount Wilson Observatory, and park where the Mount Lowe Trail ends. It's that dirt parking area on the right-hand side, just about a mile before the observatory. Then we ride through the fun tunnel, down to the camping spot. It's operated by the National Forest, and weekdays it's almost always empty of people. This time we went to the observatory after. It was so good. Anyway, hope to see you out there.
Pretty cute too.
Review on breakfast.
We're doing breakfast.
What favorite part of breakfast?
It has to be the eggs. The eggs just had that kick of flavor. It was really good.